All that
Super
stuff.
sign.
Hi, everybody. We're talking about alliterations
Can't see
today.
Ian, this is awesome.
Super sign. I don't want to be seen.
Scooch closer. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to TTG Radio. Awkward Scott and Ian here.
It's been a while.
In a minute.
Been busy.
We have been busy, but we have a fun topic today. I know you thought about it a little bit because we texted about it.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
All right. This is the alliteration. The holiday hierarchy of health. So, Scott is going to cover physical therapy. Ian is going to
Eat my hair.
cover
Holiday
training.
Hierarchy.
Holiday health hierarchy.
And I'll cover
hierarchy.
nutrition. I want to just get like 3 levels. Let's not make this too complicated for anybody over the holidays who is either in physical therapy, who is a training client or following some kind of a training regimen, or is focused on their nutrition. Let's cover like your top 3 things that they should focus on to maintain what they're doing over the holidays. Who wants to start?
I'll do it.
Okay, thank you
I'll
for
start.
volunteering.
You're
I
welcome.
appreciate it.
Just get it out of the way so Ian has
Hierarchy
time.
of health.
Ian needs time to think, so I'll get it out of the way here.
Sorry, my brain doesn't work.
I don't know if I have 3.
Okay,
We'll work through that.
we will.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So obviously holidays coming up.
Why is it always 3 or something?
I don't know. I
Three's a
just
great number.
because I thought
Why?
4 or 5 would take too much time.
I'm not 2.
Because trifecta is fun.
That's fair. Anyways, sorry for interrupting.
All right, so holidays coming up, days off, parties, traveling maybe. So obviously sometimes you don't see as frequently as you're used to. All of my patients have a home exercise program that is given to them on probably the first day, maybe the second day, and then updated throughout by their request if we can remember. So everybody has something to do. That's the
Should
bottom
they
line.
remember to do it?
Should they remember to do it? That is the base of all of this. So I think that it's important to, if you can't make it at your normal PT time, you should just use that as your time to do, whatever it is that we've been working on. Obviously, you can't have any manual therapy done or anything like that, but we always incorporate some type of strengthening or mobility type of things. And a lot of times I have taught you how to, self-mobilize tissue or range of motion or whatever it may be that we're working on at the time. So you do have things that you can do. And the excuse of, well, I didn't want to do it because I didn't know if I was doing it right is nonsense.
Utter nonsense.
Move. Just keep moving. We need to move.
moving.
Unless you have surgical precautions, don't move too much.
Yeah. I mean,
So-
you'll feel better afterwards.
Correct. Like, you got to do some things for yourself. You got to keep on going. I think the holidays is a good time to kind of own up on some of your rehab process and continue to get better throughout that time. So, my 2 cents.
Thank you for
Since I didn't have
your
3.
2 cents. No 3 cents. Do you have 3 cents or 2 cents?
I got a dime.
Does that mean you
Dime
have
a dozen.
10
That's not where
items to
that comes
talk
from,
about?
too.
All right.
Sure, I can make 10.
Okay, you ready to go? Or you want me to start and you can just jump in when you think of something?
I'm ready to
Right?
go.
It
Usually
is.
how it is. So, holidays. One, I think holidays need to be done correctly by actually having a holiday. You need to take care of yourself. You need to have fun with family. If you haven't had that piece of pie or that whatever you need to do, you need to do it.
Christmas tree cake.
I'm a firm 100%. I'm a firm believer in that because I think if you work hard all year, that's the whole point of doing all this is to enjoy yourself every now and then. But like with anything, there's a limit, right? 2, I would say you need to make sure you're moving. It's colder outside, go for a walk, stay doing your thing. I love exercising, usually on Christmas Eve or sometime like Christmas afternoon or maybe the next day because usually the gyms are not packed. You can kind of be by yourself. Or just not do anything and just go play some sport with your nephew or go have fun or go do something you normally wouldn't do. Get out of your comfort zone a little bit. Holidays are always fun to do something new. 3, I would say, please, for the love of goodness, if you're going to drink all your alcohol and whatnot, just keep in mind your sleep's going to go to crap and you're not going to do the best. So So I always tell people if you're going to drink, be prepared. A lot of people tend to uptake their drinking habit. And then 4, I would say, I mean, that goes back to point 1. I'm a firm believer in go have a good time. Enjoy your holidays. That's the whole purpose of them. It's not meant to be so strenuous and so strict. And like, you can do all that the day after Christmas. Go have fun. Go enjoy yourself. Or maybe I'm just taking a more relaxed approach this year.
I think you are, which is
So,
okay. I think
I don't think there's anything wrong with that, but I think for
No,
people that are seriously taking care of themselves, seriously, it's okay to have some fun. There's a line, and you should know that line. We're all adults here.
I
So,
think I agree. And on the flip side, my personal opinion, like I have fabulous workouts when I'm on vacation or it's a holiday and I'm out of town because I don't have other distractions. So if that is you and you have more time to focus on yourself and you usually stress about getting your workouts in, then take the time to enjoy them. I know that's not everybody. I know I might be a rare case here, but like that is a very relaxing time for me to focus on my training. And I don't feel like it takes away from my family time. At this point, they all know that's part of my lifestyle, and I don't have as much focus on it as I would like during a regular work week. So if that's you, it's also okay to take some extra time to go do a workout or something active that you wouldn't normally get to do.
Cool.
Yep.
Yeah. Now, in terms of nutrition, I'll be interested to hear y'all's thoughts on this.
eat Christmas cakes, live your best life. Go pick up some heavy weight. You'll be fine. There we go.
That's not my recommendation.
I am not a big believer in going all strict on that.
You don't even know what I'm about to say.
I'm just saying what I.
In terms of like a nutritional pyramid and kind of a hierarchy of health in the nutrition realm, a lot of times people will start off with saying, all right, the most important thing is to get calories in. And then the next important thing to focus on would be macronutrients and then micronutrients, and then different supplements and then sleep health, and maybe not exactly in that order. So instead of all of that and that kind of level of items to focus on, I would say 3 things. If we're going to take 3 things, I would say focus on protein. Instead of focusing on calories or all the macros or micros, focus on making sure you get in a proper amount of protein per day. Let the carbs and the fats fall where they will, but whenever you have a main meal, aim for about 30 to 50 grams of protein. So that would be number 1. If there's one thing to focus on, make it protein. Number 2, I would focus on communicating what health habits you plan to achieve over the holidays with family, friends, whoever you're going to be with. If they don't know that you have a regimen, how can they help you with it? An example here is when I went to Connecticut over Thanksgiving, my cousin called me and said, hey, I'm going to Costco. What would you like me to pick up for you? They know I'm focused on health. I asked them to pick up some protein shakes. That way I just had a couple of things that were still normal in my daily routine. I'll always have a protein shake first thing in the morning, and I wanted to keep that part of my regular regimen. And the third thing would just be those small health habits, like your protein shake or a protein bar, like something that keeps a part of your regular routine that doesn't affect anything else that you do. So those are my 3 things: is protein, communicate, small healthy habits that are already a part of your routine. Keep them in. Boom.
Bam. I like it.
Bam.
Any closing thoughts, gents?
Eat a Christmas tree cake. Go lift something heavy.
Don't eat a Little Debbie's
Drink some eggnog.
processed
Yeah,
Christmas
Tony's.
tree cake. If you're gonna eat cake, make it a homemade baked cake that is like full of real sugar and not processed ingredients.
That's fair.
Sometimes you want to top it.
So find somebody else in your family that has time to bake for you and eat the real cake.
You're gonna have some eggnog,
You get, I don't
maybe
like
a little
eggnog.
bourbon in there.
Ooh, a little bit of Malbec. Oh,
Stir it up.
Some turkey.
Hmm.
And go lift something heavy.
What should I have instead of an eggnog? I don't like eggnog.
Like a
Like a
something with
spiced one.
cranberries.
For the germ.
wassail.
What's a wassail?
Wassail.
Oh.
Yes, it is. It's German.
It's called something
Wassail.
else. What is it called? It's like hot wine.
It's wassail.
Oh, now I need to think about this. I want like a spice cider.
Mulled wine.
Mulled
What is it?
spice cider. Yeah.
Wassail. telling you.
I can't pronounce that. My wife.
Glühwein?
Glühwein.
Glühwein.
There you
Glühwein.
go.
Glühwein.
German mulled wine.
There you go.
We'll
Get
have
you some Glühwein.
All right. That's going to be all for today. I hope you'll take this and apply it to your holiday season. Enjoy it, relax, do what you want to do, and don't do what you don't want to do. But think about what's going to make you feel better when you come back from the holidays. On that note, thanks, guys. Appreciate your input. Bye, everybody.